Welcome back, students. Now we are going to discuss another important topic, that is global warming. Now, global warming is when the earth heats up, or you can say when the temperature rises. Mostly you have heard global warming, so you can say warming held at the global level, basically. It happens when the greenhouse gases, it include the carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrous oxide, and methane. These are some of the gases which are called as the greenhouse gases. They trap the heat and light from the sun in the Earth's atmosphere and increase the temperature. This hurts many people, animals, and plants. They may cannot Many cannot take the change and so they die. So this is the reason of basically the global warming, or you can say increase in the temperature. So this increase in the temperature is causing many animals, peoples, and plants to destroy in many other way. Like the basic thing regarding the increase in the temperature is the melting of glaciers. As you can see, this is the natural greenhouse effect in which the solar radiation is there. This is your atmosphere. This is your greenhouse gases which contains CO2, H2O and all. Here pre-radiated heat and there is less re-emitted heat. Okay, and the more heat escapes into the space. Again, the human enhanced greenhouse effect. That means due to the how global warming occurs. That means when solar radiation is there, the less heat is escapes into the atmosphere and it get combined with the more green the CH4, NO2 and CO2 uh, gases. The amount of this is increased, and due to this the earth's temperature rises and the atmosphere gets lowered. Now, what is exactly the greenhouse effect? The sun's energy passes through the car windshield, and this energy is trapped inside the car and cannot pass back through the windshield, causing the inside of the car to warm up. So this is basically the greenhouse effect. That means whatever solar radiation is coming from the sun to the earth, it has to be emitted. The heat has to be emitted. But what happens that this heat gets getting trapped in the atmosphere, and less heat is emitted out. Due to this, there is increase in the temperature, and in which CO2 is the main gas which plays as a significant greenhouse pollutant gas, and it is acting as a major, you can say, responsible for global warming. What are global warming effects? There are various effects on the geographical effects. Climatic changes are there. It has effect on wildlife as well as in humans also. What are the climatic changes observed? The important factor affected as a result of global warming. Again, climatic change when happens when there is a change in sun's output, earth's orbit, drifting continents, volcanic eruptions, and greenhouse gases. Again, global warming and human health. Global warming will affect the human health in a number of different ways, like the spread of infectious disease can be seen due to global warming. Agriculture is affected. Extreme weather patterns are affected. The amount of smog near the ground will be affected. Smog means smoke plus fog, and the supply of fresh water available to the humans will be affected. So, like this, the global warming can affect the human health. Now, human health and air conditioners. Due to global warming, the amount of smog that is created by the nitrous oxide or ozone that is near the ground will increase. An increase in the amount of smog near the ground level could potentially result in the fatality, warm summer days, or for those of humans sensitive to these gases. As these gases such as smog enter the human lungs, they can increase the potential of lung infection, which can lead to death. So ultimately, these nitrogen or ozone layer which are near to the ground, they they should be just near to the ground, not too much close to the ground. But due to this, what happens? They become too much near to the ground, and these harmful gases are inhaled to the human. These are inhaled by the human beings, which are ultimately causing the infection in the lungs. So, students, in this session, we have seen the details regarding the global warming and the greenhouse effect. Thank you.